Are you looking to make your drill press machines OSHA compliant? ATS has the drill press guards for you. We have two main lines of drill press guards that clamp right onto the round column behind the chuck, eliminating any need to drill into your machine to install. The guard bolts on in minutes so you can get back to business. Our most popular guard, the Econ series, is best for those looking for a simple guard without an interlock option. Easily adjust the shield's position by the operator. Simply flip the shield to access the chuck and drill bit. Available in two sizes, these fit a wide range of machines. The arms are constructed from aluminum extrusion and the clamp is solid billet aluminum. Our original heavy-duty drill press guard is constructed from all billet aluminum and features steel adjustable handles. The shield opens to the left, away from the vise, to access the chuck and workpiece. These feature a larger polycarbonate shield, the same 1/4 inch thickness as our Econ series guards. Our heavy-duty version is available with an electrical interlock option. Visit our website, atssafety.com, or call 828-631-9609 today to learn more about our machine guarding products, including drill press guards.